This video has a very important question for you. It was asked in many state board examinations, in even CBSE examination. I have not mentioned them all, but yes, it is even in your NCERT books. Let's see this question. It says, evaluate I is equal to x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x from 0 to pi. So this is a case of definite integral, and we know certain properties that we are going to use. So let's see how does it benefit us. If I use the property 0 to a fx dx, which can be evaluated as f of a minus x dx, again from 0 to a, how does it benefit me? So I write use this property, and now my I becomes 0 to pi minus x, because a I am going to put sine pi minus x dx divided by 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos square pi minus x. Now see, pi minus x is only here, no change. Sine 180 minus theta, sine theta. So sine x dx upon 1 plus cos square pi minus x, 1 plus cos square x. Now if this is the question, is your equation number 1, if this is your equation number 2, and both of them mean the same I, and if I add my equation number 1 and 2, what do I get? I get I plus I as 2i, I get x sin x, here I get minus x sin x getting cancelled, so only left thing is pi sin x, so 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x is the LCM. Now how to solve further? I know cos x is there, its differentiation is minus sin x, very easy for me. So what I will be doing is I will be writing 2i is equal to pi constant outside 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Put cos x is equal to some variable, put cos x is equal to t. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Let me put it in this equation. Let me name this equation as equation number 3, and we are also going to change the limits. So I know that put cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt. I have already made this as equation number 3, and I know that what is my further part? I know that if the limit is 0, so I write if x is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, because cos 0 is 1. If limit is pi, if x is equal to pi, so t should be cos pi, which is cos pi by 2 plus pi by 2, right? Some people actually don't know how to evaluate cos pi. For them I am telling. So cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, so it should be minus 1, right? So what is my I now? So it should be 2i because of this equation number 3. It is pi outside. Integration minus 1 and 1 are there, so it should be 1 to minus 1. Lower limit first, upper limit later, do not bother which is greater. Now I have sin x dx, and I know that it should be minus dt upon 1 plus t square, right? So 2i is equal to minus pi tan inverse t, limits do not change, they have to be put, plus c, right? So see, I is equal to minus pi by 2, because the 2 goes down, tan inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1. So again minus pi by 4 plus c. What should be the answer? I is equal to minus pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 4, which is again minus pi by 2, and plus c I don't have to write. Some people make it a mistake. This is indefinite integral. No, this is definite, right? So it should be pi square by 4, and which is the answer. So how did we solve it? Let me summarize it. We were using the properties of definite integral. This property I used. I named subsequently what equations have been used as equation number 1, 2, 3. Put certain values, got the answer as pi square upon 4.